Hello, it's your girl Steph Perez, and in today's video, I'm going to share the 3 simple tools. Yes, you heard me correct. The 3 simple tools. Not just 3 simple tools, but the exact 3 simple tools that I use inside of my business to run a 6-figure a year online business for myself. And so if you are just getting started, or you are looking, for a way to start an online business and you don't know if it's very complicated or what you really got to think about or consider, right? I really hope this simplified way of looking at what you need helps you in getting started sooner versus later. One thing that I will tell you, being online for as long as I've actually been online, having the ability to model people when I was fresh out of the gate allowed me to make my first sale within 3 days and allowed me to make 28 sales inside of my business within my first 30 days. Now, clearly since then, right, I've been able to replace my full-time nursing income, generate over 6 figures a year in my online business, and help a lot of other people, learn how to get their start as well, including helping people walk away from their jobs. I've helped a lot of people earn over 6 figures a year for themselves as well. And what I love about my business right now is as people discover me and they're inspired by what I'm doing, that my business is set up in such a way where just like when I was getting started, I was able to model other people to get a fast start. That's exactly what people get to do in their business right now. They get to model exactly what it is that I do. They can use the exact same tools, get access to the exact same training. So it's essentially like everything I know about building an online business and everything that I use, that I get to set people up in that exact same way to help them in shortening their learning curve. And literally all you got to do is just show up and commit to actually doing the work, commit to being the person that actually wants to grow an online business for yourself. Please just understand, there is no true easy button. Work is required. And I get the messages almost every single week from people that want me to do the work for them, or they want something totally done for them. And while there are things that we can implement inside of our business and even invest into, that where some of the work is actually done for us, believe it or not, the everyday running of your business, taking it from $0 to $100,000 a year, right? If that's what you want to do, it is on you. So it's so important that you don't set yourself up to fall for the okie doke, or when right? You're smart enough, when something feels like it's too good to be true, right? Use that intuition, right? Because most people are not dumb, right? Most people actually know, but a lot of people are hoping that they can find a way to get something for nothing. And all I'm telling you, in all of my years of being online, if you don't think that I have tried to find something where you can get something for nothing, right? I have, right? And guess what? It just doesn't exist. And if it exists, it's some kind of scheme or a Ponzi, something that's not going to be here for the long term. And if anything, it's going to end to your detriment versus your sustainable success. All right. So let's talk about the 3 simple tools that I use inside of my business, and you are welcome to use them as well to help you in getting started, right? Growing your online business. And our thing is in my community is helping people get to 6 figures or more, right, in the next 12 months or less. So if that's what you're tracking, if that's what your goal is, right, I would love to be the mentor in your corner to help you in making that real. So the very first tool is GoProWithSteph.com, and you'll find a link down below in the description. The reason I market this digital marketing and online business comprehensive course is because I realize if someone wants the results that I've been able to get and that I'm getting in my business, they have to learn digital marketing and the business of online business. You can't just hop into an opportunity and expect to have success. You've got to understand these things. I always tell people, when you invest into a McDonald's franchise, they don't just assume that you have done your research and that you know the business of McDonald's. Once you invest into a McDonald's franchise, which is the business opportunity, they actually send you to Hamburger University. Google this if you want to. They send you to Hamburger University so that you can learn the business of what? Learn the business of McDonald's. So it's the same thing when it comes to the internet or online. You've got to learn the business of the internet. You've got to learn the business of online. You've got to learn digital marketing. And so I love knowing that the people that I tend to attract that want to work with me and do what it is that I do, I know that it's perfect for helping them really understand what this is all about and getting them set up for success quickly. All right. I love the fact, when we talk about this real quickly, we have something within our digital marketing course and our online business course. It's called a Master Resale Rights License. And this is something that helped me make a lot of money fast when I was first getting started, because this license allows you, where if you love what you go through in this course, and maybe you don't already have a product that you want to sell, and you recognize that there's a lot of money to be made in digital marketing and teaching people like how to get started with making money online and growing an online business, you can actually sell this exact same course for yourself as your own product, and you're able to keep all of the money. So it's not an affiliate deal. It's something we give you the license for. That way, if you want to just turn right back around and use what you've learned, right, to actually sell the course to other people, much like yourself, that want to learn how to make money online, that you can absolutely do it. And I'll tell you why this is such a fantastic start. And again, from my experience, when I first got started and I knew nothing about this stuff, I purchased an ebook that was built into a system. And that ebook and that system taught me the business of online business. It helped me get my start. So as I was learning, I was able to turn right back around and introduce other people to that exact same ebook and that exact same system. So literally the only thing I had to worry about when I was getting started was showing up on a daily basis after I worked my full-time job as a nurse and just simply do YouTube videos, right? Promotion, basically. And I'm not saying you've got to do YouTube, right? But I had one simple thing to do every single day, which was to promote the thing that I was excited about. I didn't have to worry about going out there and doing all of this research to create a product. I just was able to start sharing with people something that I was so excited about. And so you have the same opportunity, right, within our digital marketing and online business course as well through GoProWithSteph.com if you decide this is the way that you want to go. And within our course, clearly, we do teach you how to take your own ideas and how to turn those into digital products or how to turn those into a business if that's what you want to do. But there's so many opportunities that exist, right, through our digital marketing and our online business training program. And the biggest thing is it ensures that you're getting what it is that you need to get set up for online business success quickly. You're gaining access to the knowledge, and then you are putting yourself in position to develop the skills when you implement what you learn within our course. All right. The second tool, right, is a very, very simple automation tool suite. So I actually got introduced to this particular automated system through this actual course. I had my tools spread all around when I first encountered this because I had a trust issue with putting all of my tools underneath one tool suite. And so I use one simple suite right now that my entire business is through. So again, when you go to GoProWithSteph.com, you're going to experience that exact tool suite. I get to build my email list. I get to implement email marketing. I get to run my campaigns. I get to email my list on a daily basis or as often as I want to. My sales page is there. My order form is there. I process all of my payments through this very simple system. All of my analytics are there as well, so I can actually see like how many people are opting in based upon how many people visit the site, and what is the percentage of people that turn into sales based upon those that request information. Everything is here, and what I love about this, get ready for this, is you can get started with this automation system for free, like not even a credit card. You can begin to build your business and make money, right, for free with this automated system. And you don't have to worry about upgrading to an actual paid plan until your business requires it. So you literally can begin making thousands of dollars a month without even having to pay for your automation tool suite. And here's another really, really sweet bonus that I love about this particular automation tool suite. Much like the license I talked about in our digital marketing online business course, get this. They actually have a suite of courses that you can license for like $97. If you're interested in that, just reach out to me and I'll get you the details. But you can license this suite of 8 courses for $97 and sell each individual course as your own. It's brilliant. If you do decide to embark on that journey, I have all the training in place to actually show you and walk you through how to get started with it, how to use it, and how I've actually set up a campaign in my own business to run on autopilot, right? To actually sell these individual courses. All right. So again, like, you should be getting excited. If this was me when I was first getting started, I would have felt like I hit the gold mine, right? Because again, I love knowing that we keep this so simple and that literally everything that I'm doing and or using, that it can be a roadmap or it can be a plan. It can be something that other people can very easily model. And I'll talk about one bonus that you get as well, which makes this even sweeter, right? To really help you and support you in beginning to work through all of this. All right. The final tool for me, for my business, right? 6-figure year business. So number one, GoProWithSteph.com. Number two is the automated system that I use. One simple automated system. For me right now, I pay $47 a month for that tool, just for perspective. All right. So 6-figure year business, $47 a month for the overhead of my business to actually run my digital marketing and my online business. All right. So that kind of tells you, like, you can really, really get a lot out of this without even having to upgrade initially if you don't want to, right? So doggone sweet. So virtually no overhead. All right. And then YouTube. Every single stitch of my advertising, my marketing, and my promotion right now that contributes to my business success is for free. It's exactly what you see me doing right now. Creating videos, uploading them to YouTube, and connecting with people that want to learn how to start an online business, right? I like to think about my channel and all the content that I create as a resource hub for people that want to learn how to start an online business, and they're looking for reputable information. They're looking for legit opportunities. Maybe they're even looking for a mentor to help them on this journey. So the beautiful thing with YouTube is, if you're like, Steph, I don't know if YouTube's going to be my bag, you can just cross YouTube off and insert any other platform you want to there. You can do free Instagram. You can do free TikTok. You can do free Facebook. You can do free LinkedIn, right? Like, you can do free Pinterest. You can decide what it is you want to do. And can I tell you what's so exciting about that? Is that when you go to GoProWithSteph.com, if you want to do YouTube, I'm the one that's actually teaching the YouTube strategy within that actual course. And my very first year hitting 6 figures, I had less than 3,000 subscribers. I'm not a viral brand. There's nothing magical, right, about what it is that I do. And so I actually teach you, like, my strategy and how I was able to have such a small channel with not a whole lot of views per video, right, that allowed me to do $108,000 the first year that I hit 6 figures. This was many years ago. All right. So I hate when people, they teach on these platforms, but it's like what they've achieved. Like, you look at yourself and you're like, I don't know if I'd ever be able to do that. I love the fact that I was given the opportunity to share my expertise of someone that got to 6 figures with not like this big, robust, influencer brand, because I want other people to know that they can do the exact same thing that I did if they're willing to actually learn and implement it inside of their business. And then if you decide on Instagram or TikTok or Facebook or Pinterest, guess what? There's training there as well to help you with learning those platforms and using those platforms to actually help you in growing your business. And I'll give you this one bonus right before I close out this video, is I also have mentorship in place. Right? So if you're someone where you're like I would love to have regular contact. I do office hours every single Tuesday where my Zoom room is open. You can pop in and ask questions, get guidance, get feedback. You just show up and I'm there to meet you, greet you, and help you, right? That is something that I offer as a bonus, right, to my community right now every single Tuesday. I also offer mentorship lessons. I offer additional resources and checklists and tools, and you get to model my actual funnels. I give you the share code for my funnel that makes me money. I give you my email marketing swipes that you can actually use. I give you my welcome email sequence. I give you the broadcasts that I send out on a daily basis. I give you content ideas. Like, I fully support you, right? So that literally, like, what's working inside of my business, I've created a mentorship hub to be able to give back to people that not only want to get their start. Maybe you don't want to just invest in a course, but you want something a little bit extra, right? I have that as a part of my business dynamic as well. And so you can leverage that to help you in getting your start. Again, knowing that you don't have to recreate the wheel. You don't have to start from scratch. You don't have to sit there trying to figure things out for yourself. I can't tell you how many people, right, I've been able to help where I know for a fact I've shortened their learning curve because they've been able to pop on a Tuesday office hours, get their questions answered, and be able to move forth inside of their business, or even just shoot me a quick email. And I've been able to help them get over a snag so that they can actually move on when I know there are so many people out there that don't have that in their business. All right. So I really hope like this has been able to help you realize you don't need like this big influencer brand. You don't need all of this stuff. You don't need to invest thousands and thousands of dollars to get your business started. Right? That again, if you go to GoProWithSteph.com and you decide to start there, right, that you will actually be in position to model every single thing that I actually do inside of my business. And inside of my mentorship, that's when I really help you with the X factor inside of your business. It's kind of like the X factor that helps me do what I do inside of my business and get the results that I get inside of my business. All right. So GoProWithSteph.com will give you all of your digital marketing training. Will help you learn the business of online business. And then my extra mentorship, right? Should you decide like you're someone that knows you would love someone in your corner, that helps you with all the X factor stuff. All right. So again, GoProWithSteph.com, very simple automation tool suite that allows you to run your entire business and help you make daily sales and get paid daily. Right. And then a very simple marketing platform that you can actually just use for free. And all the training is there to help you, right, in learning how to do each and every one of these things. So even at GoProWithSteph.com, we have extensive training on how to actually use our automation tool suite. It's all there for you. All right. So I'll drop the information down below in the description. Go to GoProWithSteph.com, right, to get started and to learn more. Make sure you subscribe and click on notification if you want to stay in the loop and in the know. And remember, like, this is your channel for all things supporting your journey with starting an online business in the most simplified ways. All right. So, again, I hope you got a lot out of this. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.